They are weird, bald, saber-toothed, subterranean rodents. And they might just have unlocked the secret to long life. A few weeks ago, researchers at the University of Rochester found that inserting a single naked mole rat gene into mice extended lifespan and improved health. The team transplanted a longevity gene responsible for making hyaluronic acid from naked mole rats to mice. The results? Improved health and lifespans. So, let's dig deeper to investigate why this strange creature has been fascinating scientists. Welcome to the world of the mole rat. Deep underground in East Africa, Ethiopia, Kenya and Somalia, naked mole rats have evolved some incredible attributes to live in one of the harshest environments on Earth. They can survive 20 minutes without oxygen, are hypersensitive to vibrations and air currents, and they feel less inflammatory pain than other animals. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Naked mole rats have an insane lifespan for a rodent, nearly 40 years. That's like a human living up to 487. And not only that, scientists see very little biological decline as they grow older. They don't actually age. Researchers found that the animals have evolved a DNA repair mechanism that could explain their longevity. Basically, their cells just don't deteriorate. And here's where it gets really interesting. But first, the links to all this research can be found in the description below. And if you enjoy this content, please be sure to like and subscribe. Now, around the world, cancer rates have increased sharply from the early 2000s and are projected to keep growing in the coming years. As we are now, 1 in 2 people get cancer. But naked mole rats? They're virtually immune, only a handful of cases ever. They're the only mammal displaying this trait. It's all down to their cells, which have a built-in system that prevents overcrowding and stops tumours before they even begin. Researchers hope that understanding this natural protection could one day inspire new ways to prevent cancer in humans. And that's not the only thing about these creatures that's fascinating scientists. Remember that pain resistance we mentioned earlier? That's important for us because around 43% of adults experience chronic pain. That's pain that stops you going to the shops, seeing family, basically living your life. Understanding how mole rats block certain pain signals could help researchers develop better treatments for chronic conditions like arthritis. They're unusual in other ways too. They're cold-blooded mammals. They have tiny eyes and no external ears. They can even run backwards as fast as forwards, perfect for life in narrow tunnels. In the lab, they're housed in cages, set up to mimic their underground tunnels. Naked mole rats can't thermoregulate their bodies, so researchers must make sure they're kept at 30 degrees with high humidity, just like their wild environment. They can also be given cage enrichment, like this running wheel. Due to their incredible ability to survive in low oxygen, naked mole rats have been used to study conditions like strokes, Alzheimer's, and lung disease. In fact, their cells can switch fuels from glucose to fructose energy systems, like a plant. Strange? Definitely. But in science, unusual animals can unlock extraordinary discoveries. And that's certainly the case with the mole rat.